MERN Stack is a full stack development course. It can contain the MongoDB, Express.js, React.js, Node.js. React.js is a front-end frameworks. It is used to develop the uh, very better user interface and by using MongoDB, we can create the database and it'll help by connecting them. It is helpful to store the data of users. So basically, I can learn everything from this uh, course. It can helpful me to uh, showcase my skills and problem solving skills by doing some projects. So it is basically very good one step course. Eh,